Hi guys. Okay, today we are going to be doing my Ipsy versus Ipsy. If you're unfamiliar, Ipsy is $12 a month and you get 5 sample size products. Sometimes you get a full size product once in a while. I get 2 different Ipsys and 2 different profiles, and we see, does Ipsy follow your beauty profile? My first profile says I have black hair, green eyes, fair skin, I'm not very comfortable with makeup, and I am 32 years old. Let's open this up. Nothing outside the bag today. This is what the bag looks like. Super, super cute. I love the marble, and it's kind of like a plasticky bag. Super, super cute, and it's got a pink little zipper, and the zipper says Ipsy. Let's open this up. This is what it looks like. Let's pull out this card right here. The card says, clean slate. This is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you. Habits, feelings, expired mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone. And then inside it's got all the products, and I guess they're doing full-size retail values now, which is something new for Ipsy. But let's just pull out the first thing, which is by Jewel Smith Beauty, and this is a Moonbeam Dream lip gloss, I'm assuming. So it's like a holographic lip gloss. Okay, and it's got like purpley iridescent shimmers in it. I don't know if you can see them, but okay, I'm not gonna swatch it just because I have a lot of like holographic, duochrome lip glosses like this, so I'm going to throw this in a future giveaway. And I don't really reach for glosses like that, but that says deluxe, that's a deluxe sample, and the value of the full size is $18, which is pretty standard for a lip gloss. Let's pull out the next thing, which is by Pure Cosmetics, and this is the 4-in-1 porcelain pressed powder. I did add this on as a add-on in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, so I'm not going to swatch this one. This is a really good shade match for me, and it's just a pressed powder. I'm excited to use this. I've never used Pure's pressed powder. I got another one because the sample, like I added one on because I didn't know if I was going to get it, but I'm glad that I got another one because the sample of this is small, so I will go through it quickly. And let's see what the full-size retail value of that is. So that says it's a deluxe sample as well, and it says the full size is $29.50. Okie doke. Let's pull out the next thing, which is by Pure Lease, and I love the packaging of this. And it is the 4-in-1 Blue Lotus Cleansing Milk. Cleansing milk? That's weird. Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones, and soothes. Soap and sulfate free, all skin types. Okay, I'm excited about that. The benefits are, Blue Lotus is a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. White tea helps rejuvenate skin. Soy milk is rich in amino acids and maintains skin elasticity. Whole oat calms and soothes sensitive skin. Okay, I'm excited to try that. I have never tried like a milk cleanser. Very interesting, and I love a lot of Pure Lease's products, so I will definitely give that a try. Let's see what the full size retails for. So the full size retails for $36. Okay. What? It says this 4-in-1 cleansing milk from former Power Rangers villainess and skincare guru Jennifer Yen is a multitasking superhero. What? Okay then. I seen Power Ranger and I was like, wait, what? So I'm assuming the person that made it like starred in Power Rangers, or if they're just making a reference. I really don't know. Okay, next we have, this is the Hemp's Pure Herbal Extract Original Herbal Body Moisturizer, Hydrate and Nourish. And this is 2.25 fluid ounces. I'm not big on moisturizers, but I do know that this is an amazing scent. And honestly, this is my mother-in-law's favorite lotion, so it smells so good though. Like, I could just sit here and sniff this all day. I want this in a candle. Like, yes, please. I will probably get some use out of this because it smells amazing, but I'm not the biggest fan of moisturizers. I just forget to use them on my hands and like my elbows and things. I just forget to use them. I know. Okay, let's see how much that moisturizer retails for. A full size retails for $10.69. Not bad at all. Okay, and last but not least, we have a Ciate London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. It's a skin brightening blush in shade Pinch Me. I love the packaging, super, super cute. Okay, let's open this up. Aw, it's cute, look at it. It's so tiny. Okay, let's see what the shade Pinch Me looks like. Ooh, okay. So it's got like a pinky gold. Let's do a swatch. Okay, very shimmery. Very pretty though. I will definitely get some use out of that. I'm excited about that. I have tried Ciate London's blushes before and they are really nice. And that is another deluxe sample, and it says the full size retails for $26. Okie dokie. So that was my not very comfortable makeup, and I think they killed it because we got a hand lotion, or like a body lotion, a cleanser, we got a very wearable blush, we got a pressed powder, and a gloss that is not any like crazy color or anything. It's just very like shiny. I think they killed it with that bag. Let's see what they have to say about my original bag. So this bag says that I am 20 years old, I have blonde hair, blue eyes, and I am fair skinned, and I am very, very comfortable with makeup. Let's see, this one's a lot harder to open. Let's see what they have to say about this bag. Okay, so we have something outside of the bag, and it is a brush. And it is a Luxie brush, which I love Luxie brushes, and it's a fan brush. Let's open this up. Okay, very, very cute packaging. Let's pull this off, if I can get it off. There we go. So it's just a fan brush, very thin fan brush. This is the Luxie 516 medium fan brush. Fan brushes are really good for highlighting. Really, really like that, and it's very, very thin, like I said, and I love, love brushes. Okay, so same bag, no bag variations. Let's open this up and pull out the card and see how much that brush retails for. Oh, okay. Weird. Says, manifest your best year yet. Use this card to write out what your intentions are for 2020. Then share your resolution with @Ipsy using hashtag Ipsy Clean Slate. And it says, this year I will, i.e. finally rock a pixie cut. And then it gives you some lines to fill in what you want to accomplish this year. That's kind of cool, but I kind of wish they would have given us the product prices and things, but that's okay. Let's just pull out the next thing, which is a repeat, and it's another pure pressed powder in porcelain. I don't know if I'll use all three of them. I might throw one or two of them in a future giveaway, but let's pull out the next thing. And this is one of my absolute favorite things ever. It's the Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer, and it's a 100% radiant, 100% hydrated, and it says 100% full night's rest. This is my favorite, one of my favorite primers, like by far. It's amazing, and I'm excited to have a sample of it. Couple more things. Next thing we have is by Context, and it says liquid lacquer in the shade Mad Love. Okay, let's open this up. I'm assuming it's a lipstick. Oh yeah, that's a really pretty shade though. Let's open this up. See if it has a smell. Oh, so it does smell. Is this not a lipstick? I thought this would be a lipstick, but I'm gonna assume it's a glossy finish. Because if you open it, you can see, like it's a gloss. Like that is a gloss. Smells good though. And that's the shade, very, very pretty. I don't think that dries down. We'll see. I'll let it sit on the back of my hand and we will see. But I'm not mad at that. And last but not least, we have the Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm by Banala Cosmetics, maybe? I'm not sure. Okay, this is a cleansing balm I've been getting into cleansing balms a lot lately. It doesn't have a smell, and it also doesn't have a safety seal, so I don't know how I feel about that. It's just a very small sample. It says it's for normal skin, and it says it's an all-in-one sorbet type cleanser that softly melts on skin to remove makeup, exfoliate, and hydrate in one simple step. And it's 0.24 fluid ounces. Okay, I'm definitely excited about that. I've really been getting into cleansing balms lately. This is a tiny, tiny sample though. What do we think about that box saying I'm very comfortable with makeup? So we got a liquid lipstick slash gloss because it's not drying down, which, you know, is in a pretty nice shade. We got a pressed powder, which I don't think that really follows it. Primer, I mean, and a cleansing balm, and a makeup brush. I don't know. I don't think Ipsy, like, this isn't the best bag ever, but I think it was okay. I like most of the products in here, and I'm pretty happy with them, and this is definitely not drying down. But let me know what you guys think down below. Do you guys think this is worth $12 a month? I don't know. Ipsy's been kind of blah lately. I'm just over it. There's so many other better subscriptions, and Ipsy's just not killing it. But that is everything. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week. And if 3 times a week is not enough for you, definitely subscribe and turn your bell on, because on Saturdays we are doing foundation reviews, so definitely stay tuned for that. We'll be doing this for about 6 to 8 weeks, so yeah. That is everything. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!